Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Wayne. I just did a video in the kitchen and I wanted to demonstrate something for you. It's a grease oil waste container. What do you do with your oil? Hopefully you don't pour it down your drain. I used to put it in coffee cans, but I don't get coffee cans no more. So had to come up with something different. This is real nice. It's real slick. It works real well. And I know you're going to love it like I do. Take a look at this. Bye now. Let's pull one of these out. This comes with 25 disposable oil bags. Okay. Open like so. And they're made to, sorry about that noise. They're made to fit right down in the bottom here. And they don't move around once they're in there. It's a good solid fit. And simply pour it down in there. And then you can pull that up, give it a little one of those dudes, and fold these tabs over, and that's gonna hold it in place inside there. You know what? What's it take to make it leak? Nothing come out. Yeah, that's a good little setup. And then this lid closes securely on there. Kind of clicks in place. And that can be set right there, maybe. Or wherever you would want yours. Nice little setup. So we got the grease bags and box and the funnel and filters. So it's a good little addition to our kitchen. I think you guys would probably enjoy it too if you use oil the way we do. Thank you. Bye now.